In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and export your account statement on Binance, providing you with a comprehensive snapshot of your balances across all your wallets on a specific date. First, let's understand what an account statement on Binance actually is. Essentially, it's a snapshot of your account's total value as of a date you select. This snapshot covers different types of wallets, such as spot, margin, futures, earn, and funding. The idea here is to provide you with a clear overview of your holdings, and you can view these values either in Bitcoin or in USDT for estimated amounts. Furthermore, you have the option to generate this statement as a PDF or an image, or even send it to an email address for audits or financial reporting. Let's move on to the detailed steps for viewing and generating your account statement. Keep in mind that today we're focusing exclusively on using the Binance website via a desktop browser, as this feature isn't currently available through the mobile app. To begin, log into your Binance account using your preferred web browser. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet menu or tab and select Account Statement from the drop-down options. This will bring you to the Account Statement page, where you'll need to set your preferred criteria. Now, you'll have a few options to customize your statement. You'll start with the date. You can choose a snapshot date that goes back up to 1 year from today by default. If you require information from more than a year ago, you'll need to utilize the Report Center instead. Next, decide which account or accounts you wish to include. If you have sub-accounts, note that the master account can generate statements for all of them, while sub-accounts are limited to generating their own data only. After that, choose the wallets you wish to include, whether they're spot, margin, whether cross or isolated, futures, earn, funding, and more. Lastly, decide on the currency for your estimated value. Typically, you'll have the option between BTC and USDT, though this can vary slightly by region. Once you've set your criteria, click the Search or Generate button to produce the statement on screen. Here, you'll find user information such as user ID and account type, and a breakdown of balances per wallet category. Additionally, you'll see the total estimated value displayed in your selected currency, and if applicable, it will be converted to BTC. Depending on your wallet types, further details like liabilities in margin or positions in futures might also be available. When the statement appears, you can proceed to export it. Click Export, and you'll find options, usually including PDF or JPEG formats. Additionally, there's the possibility to email it either to your registered Binance email or a third party. If you opt for PDF, remember that you'll be prompted to create an 8-digit password for encryption, ensuring your data is secure. It's important to note that the download link for your exported document will typically remain valid for 7 days. After this period, a re-export will be required if you need another copy.